If you go to open up Instagram and you find that your account is suspended, there are certain steps that you can go through to get that account recovered so that you'll be able to use it, log in, follow people normally, post all of that stuff. I'm going to show you the exact steps to be able to recover your account, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. So let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Instagram app. And when you open it up, you might see an option that looks like this. It might say, "We suspended your account." And it says what this means: your account is not visible to people on Instagram right now. What can you do? You have 180 days left to appeal this decision. We may collect some information, and you can, of course, download a copy of all of your data. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is, if you see this screen as soon as you open up Instagram, you're going to tap on the appeal option here at the bottom and be as thorough and detailed as possible on here. Fill out all of the information on why you don't think that your account should have been suspended. However, if you don't see this or you're able to log into Instagram, you can also check to see if your account is suspended or there are certain features that are restricted. And you can do that by tapping on your profile at the bottom right and then the three lines at the top right. From here, scroll down to the bottom and you can see at the bottom is account status. From here, it says remove content and messaging issues. And if there's a green check mark next to any of these, there's no issues. Availability to people under 18 and features you can't use. If you tap on any of these and it does say that you have violated the community standards, then you can go through the process of appealing it. However, again, if you don't see that option within the Instagram app, that is no problem because we can manually go directly to there. So let's open up a web browser instead, and we're going to go directly to help.instagram.com. You can see you don't need to log in to be able to do this, but once you do go to this page, we're going to tap on the search, and we're going to search for recover and hit enter. Now, after it loads, we don't want to recover the password or anything else, but let's go to account recovery and login. The first thing that it says is if someone else gained access to your account, you can always go to instagram.com/hacked. And you'll be able to enter in your username, phone number, or email address and go through the process of recovering your account if it has been hacked, somebody else logged into your account, maybe changed the password, etc. However, let's say that wasn't the issue. You can also scroll down and you can go to other login issues like changing your password, or what if you forgot your username. Or you can go to I can't log in and then go through the process of troubleshooting it through this screen and through the help center. Now, unfortunately, when you watch a video like this, you'll probably see in the comments and you'll find other people claim that they can help recover your account. Unfortunately, the only way to recover your Instagram account is through Instagram directly. And unfortunately, Meta/Instagram does not provide any personal support. You need to go through their help pages and you need to go through their automated forums to submit, and then hopefully you'll get back and basically they'll recover your account for you. But again, it has to be done by Instagram. I hope this helps. I know your time is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one.